here with this company by the name of Ft.Labhairs, and I love how playful the box looks. It's the first time I'm actually working with this company, and I love how cheerful the box is. Inside the package I got this like booklet, and I love how the wig looks on the front. It looks so neat and well constructed, showing off the hairline. It's basically just talking about hair care and the quality. It's a pamphlet, so yeah, that's what's listed in there. I have the wig. Before I get into that, I got a pair of lashes, and I love the style of these. I love that, you know, crossover wispy look. I got an extra elastic band, and it's branded with their name on it. This is actually a hair dye pen, so I guess probably when so I pretty much just press the bottom. Oh, and then and then the hair dye comes out. Oh, so this can help, like, you know, like you ever have like probably spots that you probably over pluck, or you want to make your part look straight and very sleek. You know, that's that method that I use with the rat tail comb, and I put it in the middle to straighten the part. Maybe you could just like brush this over the comb to get that super precise look. That's nice. This is convenient. I'm happy they sent this. They sent some nice stuff. I got a wig cap, an edge brush and comb. So what I got today is this glueless wig, and I got a glueless. I got two different internal structure like caps. These are what you see here in the wig, right? And I'm going to show you the difference between the two, because it's specifically a glueless cap, so you don't need any adhesives, so you can literally just put this on. Don't use no got to be spray, no glue, no nothing, and it will fit really nicely on your head. And I will show you that in a minute. So it's a closure wig, as you can see, and the inside looks like this. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and the extra elastic band, and it's stretchy, so that's nice. And it is already pre-bleached, and it's tinted. It looks really good. I love the construction already. It's a body wave texture, natural color. It feels really nice and lightweight, but it's full to the tip. It's nice and full and flowy. Love the luster. It looks really good. So let me jump into showing you how this can be completely glueless and perfect for beginners. This is a normal wig, internal wig structure. This is a normal one. You know, most of the time when I do show you guys the wigs, it has this adjustable strap in the back. So this is a normal one. So this is how it looks. This is a lace portion and everything. So I'm gonna put this on and let you see how it looks. So I don't know if you can tell, but like the forehead portion here, it's not laying, like it's not snugged to the forehead. It's still like it has that lift, it has that space, so it wouldn't be completely like laid. If you want to go ahead and do like a glueless look, like no product, you know, no got to be spray, no glue, no nothing, this would be a little bit more of a challenge to go ahead and wear without product. So that's how that one looks there. So this is just a normal cap. But this right off the bat, once I slip it on, look at the difference. You see, there's absolutely no lifting, like no space. It's way more snugged, like super snugged, and that right there is perfect for a glueless install. Of course, I'll pull it back some more because I wouldn't be putting it all the way far down there. And you see, no space. It's laying perfectly. So this is a 10. This internal wig structure is a 10 for glueless installs. Okay, and it's here at Ft.Labhairs. So that's what's on. That's the structure they use for today's wig. So right off the bat, it lays the same way, like it is really nicely snugged. I don't even think I'm going to go in and do like any baby hairs with this, because I need you guys to see this, how like flat it's laying. It looks really good. Looks really good, and the lace itself is like amazing. So that's gorgeous. As you know, it's a body wave. I feel like I'm gonna go in and, you know, redefine the curls some, but it looks so good so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace now that you've seen how nicely that lays. I think I've had a closure wig that lays this perfectly. Like, it blends in with my scalp and everything, so that it looks so good. It looks so good. I won't be doing any swoops for this. It's so undetectable. It's laying so flat. Yeah, man, I feel like this is for that female, you know, that wants to, like, you know, I've come across females who like, so you know, have no wig where, like, you know, on a daily I can wear it to work where I don't necessarily have to glue it down or use got to be. I can just pull it on, pull it off, but it's secure. That's this wig. This is that. This is definitely that wig. It looks so good. No adhesive, none. Beginner friendly, 200%. No casty look. It doesn't look casty. You're not seeing a harsh line, you know, of demarcation. It looks perfect. Lab hairs, you definitely been in the lab. You have been in the lab perfecting this, and I love that. Yes. So ladies, for all the ladies who love a good glueless wig, check out Lab Hairs. Go and check them out. So that's how it looks. It's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. So you could do even a nice side part as well. I'm just gonna kind of redefine the waves with my curling iron, but before I do that, I'm just pretty much going to lay it better. So I'm gonna use my wax stick and my hot comb to get everything super, you know, laid and nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go through it with my my curling iron to, you know, redefine these waves. So let's go.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show.
Guys, oh, you see how amazing. You see that? Absolutely no product. Yeah, And no baby hair is needed. Like completely just pulled back, and I just added the nice loose waves, redefined it rather, and it's bomb. 10 out of 10 would recommend this glueless wig. Doesn't have to be for a beginner, but it's definitely beginner friendly, 100%. You do not need any formal like training. You don't need to like kill yourself, learn how to use adhesive to install a wig. This is too easy to install. It's literally so easy. If this is not like the easiest like closure wig to install, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. It's nicely constructed. The hair is really nice. I got minimal shedding, by the way. Minimal shedding, so please bear that in mind. There is minimal shedding. It laid really nicely. Like, it looks really good, guys. As usual, you guys know I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications on this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. Could even put a piece behind your ear here. No one you guys know that's how I love to wear, you know, my wigs and stuff, like one piece, you know. I never really like wearing the entire like wig down in my face like that, or my hair pull completely forward over my, no, I like to like pull back a piece. And this is so me. Looks so good, so good. Let me know your thoughts down below in my comment section, and if you're interested, the direct link to this wig is in my description box as well. The specifications are listed, all that good stuff, so go ahead and check it out. And if you get this wig for yourself and you don't remember the details, just come back to this video. Okay, come back and, you know, watch it step by step, and it's pretty easy. It's really not a hassle to install. So shout out to Ft.Labhairs for this bomb wig. It is everything. It's gorgeous. So they did their thing and I love it. It's really, really pretty. So that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, smile big up on yourself, and don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Yeah, that's it for today. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I